The Bulldozer Revolution took place on October 5th, 2000, in Serbia, then part of the Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. It led to the ousting of President Slobodan Milosevic after years of authoritarian rule and electoral fraud. Following the September 24th, 2000 elections, Milosevic falsely claimed victory over opposition leader Vojislav Koštunica. Massive protests erupted, led by the opposition and civil groups like Otpor. The name Bulldozer Revolution comes from a symbolic moment when a protester used a bulldozer to break through police barriers outside the Federal Assembly building in Belgrade. This pressure forced Milosevic to resign, marking a transition to democracy.